My name is Joani Pemberton with Simply Vegas, and I want to talk a little bit about the housing market and specifically the interest rates. Today, the interest rates, according to Mortgage News Daily, are 6.11%. And if we look at the Federal Reserve website, they have a pretty good website. Their mortgage rates go back. This graph goes back to 1971. We can see here in 1971, the rates were 7.33. And then in 1981, they went all the way up to 18%, 18.39%. And then let me level it out here a little bit. Let me go to 2000. Okay, so here we're at 2000. So, and all of these little gray areas right here are recessions, so to speak. So we have the recession of the 2000s, the beginning of 2000, which was the dot-com bubble. And then we had the subprime mortgage recession, if you will, 2007 to 2009. And then the reverberation thereafter. And the point that I'm making, let me go a little bit to 2009 here. Okay, so in 2000, let me see here. See, what I'm going to do is follow this 5% interest rate straight across the board. And so about 2010 to, well, it started here, but then went up a little bit. Okay, so it's safe to say from 2010 all the way, if I follow this line, all the way to 2022, that's 12 years. There are 80% of people have rates that are under 5%, and they got those mortgage rates in that 5 years, whether they purchased a house or refinanced. And so a lot of people feel stuck in their mortgages and they can't move. However, if these rates are coming down, as I said, Mortgage News Daily said today the interest rate is 6.11%. And if we go to the Fed watch, the Fed is going to have a meeting on September 18th. And so if they lower the interest rate, then things should start to move again and get out of this little gridlock that we're in. So that's what I'm hoping. And I wanted to just show you one last thing here. The inventory from the last year. So we're talking August 23 to August 24. The September numbers aren't out yet. And again, this is from the Resi Club, which is Lance Lambert. He's a reporter. I think he works for Fortune magazine. Anyway, he's kind of a good guy. He comes up with these really nice charts. And so let's just look at this chart a moment. In the last year, the inventory in Florida has gone up 66%. That's pretty high. And all of these southern states that the inventory has gone up. So in North Carolina, it went up 52%, Georgia, 53%, darker places, darker colors, Vermont is 45%. California has gone up 41%, and Washington State's got up 49%. Okay, and look at Arizona, went up 45%. And so here in Nevada, where I am, it went down 2%. And so really, we're kind of lagging here in Nevada, and there's just not a lot of property here, meaning that the inventory is low, okay? So for whatever reason, I'm not sure about, how hard they're building, or there's even land available. That's kind of the word, that there's not a lot of land available anymore. So a lot of people moved here from California when the sports teams moved here, or maybe they moved here from all over the place. I don't know, but let me tell you, there's been an influx of people here in Nevada. So anyway, after the Federal Reserve has their meeting on the 19th, we're going to have more information about where this market is headed. And so I thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tune in again for the next market update. Thank you.